Use bright, portable LED lights and continuous ventilation when installing vinyl plank flooring in a small bathroom to ensure safe, accurate, and dust-free work. Set up 2 bright, adjustable LED work lights placed opposite each other at a low angle to the floor to eliminate shadows and reveal any height or seam irregularities. Choose lights with a color temperature around 5000 Kelvin for a neutral white that shows true color and contrast. Position one light near the doorway and the other across the room on the far wall so you can walk and cut without your body blocking illumination. Keep the beam intensity moderate to high, but avoid glare by angling lights down and using diffusers or lampshades when possible. For ventilation, run the exhaust fan continuously during cutting and fitting, or open a window to create a crossflow that carries dust and vinyl fumes out of the room. If outside conditions do not allow open windows, use a small window fan blowing outwards plus the exhaust fan. Pause every 20 to 30 minutes to step back, inspect alignment and plank tightness under the lights, and use a straight edge to catch subtle gaps or cupping early before adhesive or locking mechanisms are engaged. Wear a particulate mask when cutting and use a small shop vac on low near the cutting area to capture dust as you work. 3 common issues are poor seam alignment because of shadowed sightlines and rushed placement, trapped dust under planks from inadequate cleaning, and lingering odors or irritation when ventilation is insufficient. For seam alignment, improve lighting by lowering one light closer to the floor and use a straight edge to keep rows true as you progress, slowing your pace rather than forcing pieces to fit. To avoid trapped dust, sweep and vacuum the subfloor thoroughly, then wipe with a damp cloth before laying each row, and keep a dedicated small brush and vacuum handy for immediate cleanup. For fumes and irritation, always run mechanical ventilation and open a window when possible. Limit cutting sessions to short intervals with breaks outside the room, and store unused material in a ventilated space away from sleeping areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to projects like bathroom flooring and allows contractors to connect with nearby work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share tips on lighting setups, ventilation strategies, and real-world installation experiences to help both homeowners and tradespeople make better decisions.